Hello everyone! We are back at WEITAI Hydraulic Motor Factory and we are talking about WTM series hydraulic motors. Look at this one. This is called WTM-06 and it consists of a travel motor, planetary gearbox and hydraulic valve. It perfectly applies to 5 to 6 ton excavators and it's a great aftermarket replacement for some famous hydraulic motor brands. So if you like our product, please contact us, leave a message, subscribe to our channel, we'll be happy to talk to you. See you in the next video. Bye!